Today, we will discover together how Cadenas works. Search for eta.it on Google and select the banner at the top right. You will see the words New 3D CAD Electronic Catalog. By clicking on the indicated banner, the home page of the Cadenas catalog will automatically open. The digital catalog of ETA products, where you can find 2D and 3D files of the products in multi-CD and CAE format. What products can you find? E-core enclosures, eNux cabinets, eComp compact cabinets, eMox monoblock cabinets. For example, let's choose to configure an eNux cabinet. By opening the eNux category, we will find subcategories, assembled cabinets, and accessories. By selecting Assembled Cabinets, the different possible configurations will appear. eNUX, double door, single door, blind double door and back panel, blind single door and back panel, window door and back panel, front cable entry module, structure, assembled structure for modular cabinet, side opening cable entry module. Let's select cabinets with blind, single door and back panel. Choose the desired composition. If you already know the code, select it. Otherwise, enter the required dimensions, width, height, depth, and the code will auto-generate. What can you consult? Technical characteristics, IP and NEMA protection degrees, packaging, weight, dimensions, and much more. After selecting all the product details you need, you can orbit the product, animate it, section it, zoom it, identify the components, view orthogonal and isometric projections, and measure the surfaces. At the top of the drawing section, we can have a preview of the product in both 2D and 3D. But how can you download the files to use them in your software? By registering on the platform. When attempting to download the drawings, the registration interface will automatically open. Enter your contact details, first name, last name, job type, phone number, company name, and create a password for the account. Once the account is created, choose the format that suits you best among 2D, 3D, BIM, SHAM, EDA, plant construction formats, and so on. For example, let's choose the Curio format. Then, select in the settings to also add additional files and proceed with the download. Why this choice? To ensure the use of our files also in the EPLN software in EDZ format. Once the files are downloaded, all you have to do is use them to configure your product in your software. If you want to view all the details of the selected product, generate the PDF datasheet. Once the download is complete, you can consult it. Thank you from ETA.